Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the Siri volume on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Tap the digital crown to open the App menu. Then tap the Settings cog to open Settings. Scroll down the settings and tap Siri. Scroll down the Siri settings and tap Siri responses. At the bottom of Siri responses, there is a volume bar. You can increase and decrease Siri's volume here. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.